Good morning, you guys. It's currently around 5 o'clock a.m.
I thought I would show you guys what is in my study bag. This is what I will take when I'm studying at coffee shops or going to the library or anything like that. Today is mostly going to be spent in the library again. I want a change of scenery this time though, because I love the spot that I've been going to, but I've just been going to it so much recently that I need to like go somewhere different because I'm gonna get sick of it. I do have to leave for my class in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna quickly move everything over. I want to just emphasize that and make sure that you guys know that you should be treating yourselves kindly, because growing up I feel like I was kind of taught that like if you are taking breaks and you're resting that you're lazy, which is not at all what that means, and I have been just trying to unlearn that basically, so that's why I'm telling it to you guys. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!